Hey, what's up? It's David Nichols, CEO of Loupe. I'm here today in Loupe's workshop to do an interesting experiment about something that I just learned about. Aluminum extrusion is pretty easy to cut. Actually, it's really easy to cut with a miter saw, as long as you have something like this. You can put this onto a miter saw and chop, chop, chop extrusion all day long. And today we are going to see how clean of a cut you can get with some very amateur tools. Gloves. Things are getting serious. Also, I want to be able to hear things when I'm old. Wow. That looks really pretty. All right, look, sometimes it's just the simple things that are so satisfying. Anything else you want to wrench on? Hit me up. Let me know what you're curious about, what we should give a shot here. Any other tips? If I'm doing this wrong, actually, I'm not that interested. No, I am. I'll pay attention. Teach me things. See you next time. Bye. All right, let's just do one more for good measure. Fire in the hole.